Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at my new iPad Pro 11-inch. And yes, I did have an iPad Pro before. It was having some issues with charging. Turns out that was actually related to the iOS 14.2 beta. I didn't know that at the time until I sent it back. But Apple actually replaced the iPad under warranty. So we're going to be unboxing the warranty replacement and seeing how those come from Apple. And I'm actually very impressed with the turnaround time for this. I sent it in. It got there on Thursday. They had the new one shipped out to me by Friday. So my old one got there on Thursday. It was delivered to them on Thursday. And by Thursday afternoon, they said they were replacing it and shipping me another one. Friday it shipped, and today is Monday, and it arrived. They used FedEx overnight for all of the shipping, so it was very quick. So here it is, just in a white box. Basically just a very short version of what you get when you buy a regular iPad. I don't believe there's anything, nothing else in the box, no paperwork, nothing like that. You obviously don't get a charger, but you also don't have to send in your existing charger. So you just keep all that stuff and get the new iPad. So there it is right here. I'm not really too sure if this is a refurbished one or if it's a new one. They don't really say, but if it is a refurbished one, it's very, very hard to tell. And you know what? Is this? No, okay. I didn't remember that line being up there for the antenna. I thought for a second they had sent me a cellular one, but it doesn't look like they did. Okay, I was gonna say, whew. Don't know if I put all those fingerprints on it just now or if that was there. I probably did that though. But yep, it looks pretty much brand new. I don't really see anything on it that would tell me that it was, used or anything like that. Apple does a very good job at refurbishing devices, either way, whether you buy it or get it as a replacement. So the quality is still top notch. Very, very nice. And that is what the iPad warranty replacement looks like. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.